You want to start brewing your own cider, but aren't sure what is the best cider making kit? Not to worry. You'll find the answers below. Bearing in mind that cider brewing is becoming increasingly popular, many brands have started releasing their own cider making kits. We've researched and discovered 5 top-rated cider making kits, as well as 1 to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 5 best cider making kits, plus 1 to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Craft of Brew BK-CID Brewing Hard Cider Kit. Craft of Brew is a popular supplier of equipment and other products necessary for optimal brewing experience. This particular brand has the best cider making kit due to the easing of use, high quality, and the affordable price. The kit features glass carboy, funnel, rubber stopper, racking cane, transfer tubing, tubing clamp, sanitizer, airlock, hard cider making instructions, and even a recipe for an amazing cider. It's also important to mention the kit is easy to use. All you need to do is to mix juice and yeast, ferment for 10 days, bottle and condition, and then enjoy. Buyers who've already tried the kit praise its simple instructions that are easy to follow, and the result was a super delicious cider. Coming in at number 2, Brooklyn Brew Shop Hard Cider Making Kit. Brooklyn Brew Shop is a startup based in Brooklyn, of course, dedicated to helping people easily make cider, beer, and other beverages. The company was founded in 2009, and it didn't take long for Brooklyn Brew Shop to become popular among brewers. What makes their set the best hard cider making kit is the fact that it delivers everything you need to know for brewing process except fresh apple cider. The kit contains dry cider yeast, glass fermentation jug, racking cane, tubing clamp, screw cap stopper, airlock, and a cleanser. While beginners can benefit the most from this kit, it's also suitable for more experienced brewers. You can make 3 batches of hard apple cider with this kit, which is quite amazing. Coming in at number 3, Homebrew Ohio Brewer's Best House Select Apple Cider Kit. People who are looking for the best homebrew cider kit have multiple options to choose from, and one of them is Brewer's Best Set. Brewer's Best is the most widely distributed brand of kits and equipment in the U.S. The company has over 25 years of experience in the home brewing industry, so it's easy to conclude they know what they're doing. Basically, this is a 6-gallon recipe full of flavor for an amazing cider. The kit is suitable for all ages, regardless of how much home brewing experience they have, which is always a plus. Users describe it as a great guide for a superior delicious cider. The process is fast, straightforward, and without unnecessary complications. Looking to learn more about the best cider making kits in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Northern Brewer Cooked Apple Complete Hard Cider Making Starter Kit. Northern Brewer is one of the most popular names in the home brewing industry in the United States. Their primary goal is to make sure home brewers have everything they need to make a great beer, cider, or some other beverage. They do so with high-quality products and an exceptional customer service that keeps getting better year after year. What makes their kit the best cider brewing kit is the fact it's probably the complete set you can find. Sure, it's a bit pricier compared to other kits, but the equipment you get is beyond amazing. The kit includes Grim-Hilled 1-gallon cider recipe kit, complete instructions, little big mouth blubber primary fermenter, bung, and an airlock, secondary fermenter, cap and airlock, plastic stirring paddle, mini auto siphon and tubing, cleaner and sanitizer, and caps. Coming in at number 5, Mangrove Jack's Hard Apple Cider Recipe Kit. If you're looking for a recipe and a mixture to make a wonderful hard apple cider, then this kit is definitely worth considering. Mangrove Jack's distributes kits and ingredients obtained from high-quality sources for an optimal experience. This kit gives brewers the taste of orchard apples, and it's incredibly easy to make a great cider using simple instructions. The mixture requires 2.2 pounds of sugar and yields 6 gallons of delicious crisp cider. The kit is gluten-free, and you can bottle it like wine. Bear in mind, this product only contains cider ingredients, and you still need some equipment though. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cider making kits. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the Freshness.com cider making kit to avoid. BrewDemon Hard Cider Kit Pro. Some kits are amazing and give you everything you need for a great apple cider, but others aren't that good. In fact, many brands make all sorts of promises, but they don't deliver. One of the worst cider making kits on the market is definitely the kit made by BrewDemon. The kit includes world's first small batch conical fermenter, hard cider, fruit recipe, adjustable spigot, and other pieces of equipment. That being said, users complain that spigot easily breaks off and the kit is cheaply made, so it's quite stressful to deal with. Some users also had problems with the quality of cider they made using the kit and recipe. And now for the Freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best cider making kits. With the best cider making kit, an easy recipe, and useful recommendations, you can make wonderful cider without stress, frustration, and hassle. Once you see how easy it is, you'll never want to buy cider again. Before choosing the best kit for your needs, take into consideration all the factors that were outlined, and you'll make the right choice. Looking to learn more about the best cider making kits in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite cider making kits. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.